So this is how you set up a new email account in Outlook. This is Outlook 2010, but the same applies for 2013 as well. Just it looks a little bit different. So you head up to File once you're in Outlook and you click Add Account. And you want to click on Manually Configure Server Settings, not the default. And then up here you want to select the first one because you're going to connect to an Imap. And then you put your name, full name if you'd like, your email address. I'm using a testing address right now. And this we're going to change to Imap because that allows us to access our emails from all sorts of devices, and it all syncs to the server, which means if you open up an email on one device, it shows open on another. If you delete an email on your phone, it also delete on your computer, so it all kind of syncs up the actions that you're taking. So put the incoming and outgoing server that was provided to you. Every server has kind of a different name, so you want to make sure this is correct. And your username will be the same as your email address, and then your password for that email address that was also provided to you or that you set up. You're not quite done yet. You have to go to More Settings. This part is very important, or else it will not send and receive. So you go through Outgoing Server. You want to click My Outgoing Server requires authentication, so click that. And then the other tab you're going to click is Advanced. This is very important or else it will not work. And what you want to do is select SSL. That means it's sent over a secure line. Alright, and then the port numbers that were provided to you. And this one is going to be 465. Alright, so I'm going to hit OK. Let's just test the account. Actually, I'm going to test it by hitting Next since that is clicked. Alright, so the incoming worked, and now we're just testing outgoing. Both of those worked. So we are set to go. But just to make sure, let's see it, and there it came in. And we're going to do a new email. To see if it worked. And you could have several different emails in your Outlook, which is kind of nice. And there we go. There's my test right there. So that's how you set it up. It's pretty simple if you go through the steps carefully and get all the little details